Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. I'm Stevie Ken, this is Suri.
Hey guys.
Okay, we have another video. This time we're going back to Allu Arjun. So we're watching the DJ climax fight scene. Apparently it's the best action scene of Allu Arjun. That's what they wrote.
Okay.
So,
but before we do, guys, if you haven't already subscribed to our channels, please do so. Like, share and comment. And we have Magic Flicks TV now too, where we'll be vlogging and all sorts of different things. And Instagram and Twitter, which we'll put in the links below.
here we go. Let's check this out.
वो दरवाजा खुला था, लात मारने की क्या जरूरत?
स्टीफन प्रकाश कहाँ है बे?
स्टीफन प्रकाश? ये आदमी कौन है?
So one of those cokes?
कौन है वो?
वाह!
ये वो आदमी नहीं है नायडू सर।
उसके मासूम चेहरे से धोखा मत खाना। एक्टिंग में वो मेरे से भी 2 कदम आगे है।
अरे कब से चुपचाप मार खाता जा रहा है।
बड़ा 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 डोज और बड़ा।
डबल करता हूँ सर।
Oh no.
सिर्फ एक बार उनका नाम बता दीजिए।
Oh well.
चाहे तो मैं उनके पास चलता हूँ सर। उन्हें समझाऊंगा, मुझे कुछ नहीं पता।
शायद हमने गलत आदमी पकड़ लिया है सर, और मारेंगे तो जान चली जाएगी इसकी। वैसे भी सड़क पे भीड़ इकट्ठी हो रही है।
अरे इस देश में लोगों को खुद के सुख के बजाय पड़ोसी का दुख देखने में ज्यादा मजा आता है। ची ची ची, संस्कार मर गए। गाड़ी में डाल के उसको हैदराबाद लेके आ।
भैया चाहे जितना मार लो,
How much acting can you do?
बस एक बार सर का नाम बता दो।
हाँ? क्या बोला?
सर का नाम बता दो।
क्यों दिमाग की दही कर रहा है बे? सर का नाम बताओ, सर का नाम बताओ, तोते की तरह। ए सूरी, सर को फोन करके पूछ इस बावर्ची का करना क्या है। बोर हो गया हूं मार मार के इसको। हेलो सर।
मेरी बात करवा दो।
चुप। सर ये वो नहीं हो सकता सर।
अरे ये वही है। कसाई की तरह जब उसको मारेगा ना, तब डॉगी भोबो करने को चालू करेगा।
और मारेंगे तो टपक जाएगा।
तो टपका दे।
क्या?
सही सुना तूने, टपका दे।
सॉरी ब्रदर, तेरे को टपकाने का ऑर्डर मिला है।
मुझे मार दोगे? सच में? मैंने क्या किया है? मार देंगे मुझे?
मुझसे कोई पर्सनल दुश्मनी नहीं है, पापी पेट का सवाल है ब्रो। तू सब्जियां काट के कमाता है और मैं गर्दन काट। बस छोटा सा ही तो फर्क है। कोई आखिरी इच्छा है तो बता ना, पूरी कर देंगे। शर्मा मत, बोल दे। तेरे लिए हुक्का मंगाऊं क्या? साथ में 2 पैग।
मरने से पहले कम से कम मुझे मारने वाले का नाम तो बता दीजिए ना।
देखिए हमारे धंधे के उसूलों के खिलाफ है। ए सूरी, खत्म करना ऐसे।
भैया नहीं भैया।
मैंने आज तक कभी किसी ब्राह्मण को नहीं मारा। बिल्ली और ब्राह्मण, इनको नहीं मारना चाहिए, वरना नर्क में भी 3rd क्लास जगह मिलती है, ऐसा मेरी दादी कहती।
जाने दीजिए। नहीं
ए, ये काम तू कर।
नहीं, मत मारिए। भाई ये अपन के लाइफ का पहला मर्डर है, अपन को गुड लक तो बोलो।
हैप्पी मर्डर डे टू यू, हैप्पी मर्डर डे टू यू। ए सब लोग आओ। हैप्पी मर्डर डे टू यू, हैप्पी मर्डर डे टू यू।
He's checking everything out.
Give them time.
चल बेटा, आप केक काट।
नहीं, एक मिनट। आपने कहा था मेरी आखिरी इच्छा पूरी करना। मेरी एक छोटी सी इच्छा है सर।
चल बोल।
गले में पवित्र रुद्राक्ष है, माँ बाप लगेगा। इसे पहन के मारा तो, और उतार के मारा तो सीधा स्वर्ग जाएंगे, मेरी गारंटी है।
निकाल के फेंक दे रे।
Was he bound by that not to do anything or something? Or
What happened there?
let's just say, oh, the beer. Oh,
He didn't even do anything. So that went up in the sky. That he's necklace.
he's done
and
something.
that-
Huh?
प्लीज मुझे अपने मालिक का नाम बता दीजिए।
I need to watch these films, man.
बस नाम ही तो जानना चाहता हूँ।
Ooh.
हाथ जोड़ के विनती कर रहा हूँ, नाम बताने में आपका क्या जाएगा?
Oh. He is so good.
अब तो बता दीजिए ना, नाम क्या है?
What did he say? He was a good actor. The guy.
Oh, seriously he's looking.
सबको मरते हुए देखेंगे क्या? अब तो नाम बता दीजिए ना।
Oh my god. This guy is something else.
भाई नाम बता दो सबको मार डालेगा।
Did he open up his stuff as well?
Yep. Fight scenes of this.
तेरी दादी ने ब्राह्मण और बिल्लियों को मारने से मना किया था, लेकिन किसी शेर से ना उलझने के बारे में बोलना भूल गई।
I like that.
Whoa.
रोहन नायडू, रोहन नायडू, नायडू कंस्ट्रक्शन, रोहन नायडू। नाम तो बता दिया ना ब्रो।
जब जमीन पर पड़ा था 10 बार पूछा, नहीं बताया, तभी बता देना चाहिए था ना। अब क्या कर सकते हैं? तेरी बदकिस्मती है, 1 सेकंड लेट हो गया। इसे कहते हैं बैड टाइमिंग।
Yeah.
मेरा नाम जपते जा, तेरा स्वाहा हो गया है।
Wow. Oh my god. He is something else. He is, to be honest, and that's not just me saying it, because to be honest, like, you know, sometimes I like to have a movie or a video on in the background whilst I'm editing and stuff like that. Just, you know, keep you going. Amount of times I like flicked on Netflix and Amazon. I
You
can't
won't-
find anything.
But the thing is, you won't put it on anywhere because you're the kind of person, if it's something new you haven't watched,
Yeah.
Steve's like,
No, yeah, it's got to be something that I haven't watched,
Yeah.
because if it's something, well, whilst I'm working, it's always got to be something I've already watched, because then I'm not distracted.
Yeah.
I can
Mine,
listen
that's
to
the
it,
freebie, innit? 'Cause it's-
and I can multitask like that. I'm listening, so I'm entertained, but at the same time I'm getting on with my work. But if it's something I haven't watched, then my concentration just goes there, so I can't have it on. But I mean, any other time when it's downtime, I'm like thinking, which I don't get much of, but when it is, it's a frustration of what should I watch. But then, you know, like when you watch action movies, you got like obviously things like with John Abraham in, or Akshay or something like that. because I've seen many of them, that you're just like going, I want something else. That I haven't seen his films, and the thing is, I've seen 2 of his action sequences now, and they are good.
They are.
And he's very like the character he was there. He's one point going, and he's like that, and then all of a sudden he's like this lion, and he's still fighting, and then goes, no, I didn't know, and you're like going, oh, what? It's like 2 different characters, and yeah, but whoever does the direction for the action, I do like it. I don't, even though it's over the top action, it doesn't look.
I think it's the way they film it. It's like it's so fast as well. At times you have to think, hold on. Like the ending, the knife. I didn't actually think it had gone in him.
Yeah.
But obviously it had.
Yeah, obviously it was
which made
like
it really
that.
funny because the last name he said was that, and he ended his life as well. But there's so many parts, and I was like, okay,
Yeah, exactly.
So quickly, it doesn't look as cheesy or
No.
funny. I think that's the.
And not only that, I just think it's just, like I said, it is over the top, but it's not badly like made. I don't think so.
No,
I just think
I
like
don't
for
think so.
where it is, it's actually quite good.
Yeah.
You know, like you watch the Rocky Handsome
I'd
thing
rather
like
see
that.
like that than see in such slow motion all these things happening.
Yeah,
It's
when
like,
they hit it and then the person just goes through about 3 or 4
Flying.
walls and stuff like that, and then or they stop in the air and then they land,
back
and then
down.
you're just going, come on, just just move, and you just go, come on, who else is coming?
But what I didn't get at the
Okay.
beginning was, you know, when he took his necklace, he cut off his necklace, that it went flying up in the sky. But did it not?
I think that's probably just edited. I think
Oh.
whoever's done this video has probably. That's why I'm guessing that it was just edited in
So I
that
didn't
way.
see him do
He
any
must have
kind
done
of move.
something.
Okay, again, it was so fast. I was like, did
So-
he do the move? Did something? He clicks his necklace.
Yeah,
Is
I think-
Is it like
I
holy
think
or something? Like,
Everyone else who hasn't seen this video, they probably think the same thing, really. But I think
I thought
it's
it was
probably to do
powerful
with.
in the necklace or something.
I'm
like-
guessing whoever's done the edit has probably took that little part out, just like it was blurred when he was like the stabbing parts were coming, they were
It
blurred.
was too fast. I didn't
if you
notice.
see.
No.
They were blurred. Like even when he turned that other guy around and he was coming with something, and you could see it was just blurred out.
Okay.
And now the knife, you didn't see it in him because it was blurred out.
Oh.
That's why.
Okay.
So I think whatever that scene was, it was a bit more boom,
Yeah.
and they've cut it. That. But I did think that regarding the necklace, was it something that someone's put on him to say, you can't fight or you
Yeah,
can't do
yeah.
nothing, like you're bound,
This is on.
you're bound by, do the right thing or
Yeah, so
whatever.
he's got-
And he
he's
was
got
like,
clever
going,
way
can you
got
just
him
do
to
me
take it
one
off.
thing? Can you remove this?
Yeah.
And he's removed it, and now he's got his thing where now I'm not
Should
bound
do
by,
something, whatever
I'm
is
not
holding him
bound by
back.
whatever I was not allowed to do. Now I'm free from my obligation.
Yeah, yeah.
Now I can destroy you lot all.
But
That
you,
kind of thing.
You didn't even know, when he was like pleading, like, please tell me the name. I want.
Oh, go.
I was gonna. I want to laugh because obviously you knew it, but you didn't, like when you like look at someone, you think, oh my god, just please let him go. I wasn't like that. I was like, yeah, what's he got planned, man? This guy.
And not only that, he was just like good, where he's like, he looked like this weak character, he's like doing all that, and then every now and again you just see when he like looks up and
Yeah.
his eyes just say, this guy's gonna do something.
But when they were singing the happy birthday, you clocked on. He's biding time. He's trying to look at.
Yeah,
the
it was just like looking,
individual. I
okay,
was
he's
like,
there, he's
okay.
there, that's there, I've clocked
Sing
everything.
along with this song.
Now it's time for me to, play basically. So the lion gets his prey. Anyway, guys, that was the video. We did enjoy it. He can never do anything wrong. Well, like ever since we started watching our Allu Arjun songs and stuff like that, we've always enjoyed it, and you guys know that. So, and it was good to see another one. Anyway, make
If
sure.
you guys like this, if you like this video, then it'd be lovely if you could subscribe and comment and share.
And
Is that
then
right?
we'll see you on the next one.
See you
Take
on
care.
the
See you
next
soon.
one.
Bye.
Mess it up.